Press 1, sound sync in 3, 2, 1. And action. You know, loosey goosey, you just, you know.
Does my hair look alright?
No.
No.
Okay, sound syncing in 3, 2, 1. Okay, we're having a chat in a pub and action. Tea.
I can't. Okay.
Action.
Do you just want to check the sound quality is working as expected?
What would you have it?
Have you seen my wife? The
lovely Janeybee. Lovely. Where are you looking on that? Because
I'm looking at the robot.
you're looking at the robot. That's fine. Yeah.
Do you want to do it again?
Yeah. One more for
look.
For look.
I'm going to move the. So you're looking in the right place. Have a seat, Mr. Robot. Listen to my tales of joy. Gather round, all ye who want to listen.
Gather round, all ye transformers, to give an eye a line. Stay.
Camera memory's now full because you spent 20 minutes messing with a robot. Hello. Love technology.
Yay! Okay.
Manager.
From the top, that was me. Sorry.
That was brilliant, by the way, until you f***ed it all for me.
Sorry. Wow. Everybody groove to the music.
Shut up.
And cut. Do you want another one for posterity?
Yeah.
Blinding sword doesn't sound.
Yeah, I know. I was trying to keep talking and not pause, but let's try again.
Ready? Whenever you're ready.
But I said it nicely. Right, try again.
Thanks. Take a breath. You're overthinking it, which is why you're f***ing it up. Alright, I've seen it 100 times before. Just take a second. In. Close your eyes. And action.
Trying to achieve.
Much better. Well done.
Collaborating. Again.
Hey up, I'm Rory, the therapy dog. Click here to watch a video I picked out just for you. Or check out our behind the scenes channel right here. And for every subscriber we get, I get a treat. So do it. Click it. Gravy ball.